Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Today is February 25th, being Tuesday, 2025. At about a month ago, I was doing a live broadcast. If you remember, if you have been following me, you would remember the program I did talking about the terrorists who are coming south, who are already in Edo State, Delta State. Not that they are not there before, okay? Not that these people's presence are not there. But there was, like a new influence of these people coming to the south. So I reported about that. And after the report, it followed by what Say Makinde said. Say Makinde made his broadcast. After 3 days, we made the broadcast ourselves. And what happened? There was a man. He said his name is Lucky. I don't know him. Okay, he reached me through WhatsApp. He said he is a special assistant to House of Rep member. I don't know the House of Rep member. He's a special assistant to in Edo State. He said he's warning me. He's giving me, a notice of warning that the issue of banditry I'm talking about in Edo State, the issue of kidnapping, the issue of killing in Edo State, that it will never happen. That there is no influence of anybody terrorists in Edo State. That I should not make people to be scared about Edo State. That if I made broadcast talking about Edo State again, that they are going to make trouble with me. I was laughing. Then I sent him a video. I have not even published the video itself. I made it like 2 months ago. I sent it the video of people I sent to Abudu. People in Edo State know where I'm talking about. In Abudu, part of Oronigbe, close to Delta State, this place they discover oil recently, okay? Especially the testimony that came from Abudu, they told us that they are no longer going to farm. So I sent this video to this guy, and ever since then, the guy did not even chat me again. I was trying to tell him that, do you people really know what is going on in your state, or you are just trying to be politically correct? Because of that, you keep mute to the detriment of your people. Your people are dying. Look at the interview we did in Abudu. Your people are dying. When I mean they are dying, they are no longer going to farm. Or is this place not Abudu? He did not chat me again up till today, right? Now, what happened yesterday? These people have started killing. This is not kidnapping. Kidnapping has been going on there, okay? These people have started killing. Why are they killing? You will understand this at the end of this video. Now, Sahara reporters reported today that armed herdsmen killed 2 farmers in fresh attack on Edo State community. Nigerians are now familiar with killing. They are now familiar with death of people. It doesn't scare them. It doesn't shake them. As far as it's not their brother and sister that died. Today you hear 50 people died, 30 people died, 20 people died. Nigeria is irredeemable. A country where the death of their people doesn't shake them, you know that the country is irredeemable. Not only irredeemable, I'm looking for an adjective to qualify it. The country is not in existence. Let me just put it in that way. Your brother will die. Somebody will die. It will not even shake you at all. It doesn't concern you. What concerns you is that you are an SA to a House of Rep member. Your House of Rep member will never even chop the food. You have the guts to even come out to tell people that they should not talk about what is going on in your place. You see how people place their own interest above the interest of people? That is why I am telling you, if we come out to report about what is going on, it's not because we have a special interest. It's just because of the people, okay? Because your politician will not do that because of his own interest. A lot of people knows what is going on in Nigeria, but they won't tell you that this country is not repairable, that nobody can make this country to work again. They will not tell you. They won't tell you, but they know them themselves. But that 150,000, 200,000 they are paying them. That contract they are waiting to see. They are close to the political leader. They want to be local government chairman in one day. That is what their brain is, not the people who are dying. Now, let us understand what really transpired, okay? Now, it says that suspected armed herdsmen. Let me correct this again. If you are not from Nigeria watching this video, when you hear about herdsmen, they are talking about terrorists in Nigeria who carry AK-47, who kill, who destroy, who kidnap, okay? Because normal connotation of herdsmen has to do with people who carry stick and rubber. That is not herdsmen in Nigeria. Herdsmen in Nigeria are worse than Boko Haram. They are terrorists. So suspected armed herdsmen have reportedly killed 2 farmers in Okpekpe, a community in Esako East Local Government area of Edo State. Now, this one now is not what is happening in Abudu. No one is even reporting what is happening in, what is it called? Yes, Abudu and all those areas very closer to Delta State, Ika. federal constituency. Nobody is reporting what is going there. This one is happening in Isako now, okay? Now, the victims identified as Betamwe Philip Ebo and Christopher Bello were ambushed and attacked on their way to the farm on Monday morning. Now, come to think of it, why would somebody just come out and attack people going to farm and kill them? What have they done? And this is the same thing going on everywhere. The other day, I saw someone, a vigilante that has been killed in a Kandant. They saw him in the bush. They tied him, they killed him. These people have come to kill, to destroy. So ask yourself, what is the purpose? Why all these Fulani terrorists are on the bush killing? What is the purpose? Ask yourself this question. What is the purpose? Now, we are going to come back to this article. The purpose is not far than what this Hausa girl said. You know that Hausa ladies, they are not always on social media. Hausa people, they are not always on social media. But for them to come out on social media and begin to say all these things, it means that this thing has really eaten them up. Listen to what this guy is saying about the Fundanis. This is like a battle of words between the Hausa and the Fundanis. Take a listen.
Idan gaskiya ne ku bar Bahaushe ya mulki kansa a ƙasar sama. Ko da shi dan fodiyan yazo ai ya iske akwai musulunci ya ce wai ai jaddadawa zai yi musulunci mu ba daidai bane. To kuma da aka ce haka sai ya ɓace sarauta na Katsina babu Bahaushe na Kano babu na Jigawa na Sokoto duka babu Bahaushe. Kuna son kanku mutanen nan da yawa. Duka wannan kawaicin bai isa ba. A'a yanzu kuma kun gayyato mutanen ku jahilai da kikai. Su zo su karkashe mu, su jihadi bai tabbata akan su bane, waɗanda ba su da ilimi da kuka bar su a daji suna faman yawo da dabbobi ba san me suke ba. Gara mu duk lalacewar Bahaushe, duk yanda kai ga lalacewa baya zuwa makarantar boko, wannan karatun Qur'anin zai je ya yi shi, za a tura shi ya yi shi, sai dai a ce yana bara, amma kuma yana da ilimin Qur'ani, ya san Allah, akwai imani a ransa. Su kuma yaran ku gaba ɗaya ba sa karatun Qur'ani, sai dai a jefa su su kama kiwon da su jihadin da tabbata akan su bane, sai akan Hausawa wanda suka riko da musulunci. An cusa mana kiyaye da junan mu, ba ma san wanda shi ba musulmi bane. An raba mu da waɗanda suka kasance 'yan ƙasa ne, 'yan Najeriya ne, an haɗa mu da waɗanda ba 'yan ƙasa bane, sun zo suna zaluntar mu da sunan addini, suna boyewa a bayan Hausawa. Kuma ba a san a faɗi gaskiya, kuma abin bai isa ba har ana kashe ka. Duk wanda ya ce yana son rayuwarka, kai ma ka ce kana son nashi. Abin yayi yawa haka. Dole sai mun zo mun faɗi abin da yake faruwa. Yan uwan mu ku waye, ku rinka ku daina ku fitar da wani akida da ake muku na zaɓe na siyasa. Duk munafincin su ne. In ba haka ba, gwamnan Kano ba Fulatani, vice din shi ba Fulatani, Katsina ba Fulatani, Fulani nawa suka mulki Katsina sun fi mutum hudu ne ya sani da nake raye da wayo na. Kano mutum ɗaya taɓa mulkin ba Kano ba Haushe, duk yawanci Fulani ne. Me dalili? Shi ba Haushe bai da ƴanci ne?
Now, you now understand what I'm saying, okay? The mission of these people is not because we hate the ethnicity. I'm just trying to tell you the reality. I report reality. I talk reality out of issues. Okay, I'm not interested of who is who. I'm just interested of, is this thing true or not? Is this thing happening or not? Okay. Now, confirming the attack. Now, the police has confirmed the attack in Edo State. Okay. Confirming the attack, the Edo State Police Command Public Relations Officer CSP Moses Yamo stated that the chief of Okpekpe reported the incident to the authorities at about 9 a.m. on Monday. This is the exact word he said. The command received a report today at about 9 o'clock from the chief of Okpekpe that 2 of his subjects were attacked and killed in their farms by suspected herdsmen. The divisional police officer DPO and mobile police officers deployed in Ozano arrived at the scene and found their lifeless bodies, Yamo stated. Yamo stated that the police had reassessed security measures in the area to track down the perpetrators and prevent further attacks. We have reviewed security arrangements in the area to pursue the criminals and prevent a reoccurrence, he added. Now, when you see policemen giving you assurance like this, that we have deployed people, we have done this, we have done that, you yourself will even think that, oh, there's something great is going to come out of it. Actually, there is nothing that is going to come out of it. I'm talking from experience. How many of you remember that there is this man who was the governorship candidate of Ondo State of the Labour Party, who is the present youth leader of the Afenifere socio-cultural group, the apex group of the Yoruba culture. This man was kidnapped. They are using his Facebook, using his WhatsApp to tell his people that he's kidnapped. But where is the police? Where is your police? Why don't they go and arrest the person? They didn't arrest the person. They didn't track them. But cause Tinubu on TikTok now, they will track you and get you wherever you are. It's an indication that there is an accomplice, that the security operatives are accomplice. And that was what a lot of people has been able to bring the fact that the security operatives are colluding with the armed bandits just to kill the people, to gain domain. Now, what is the purpose of the killing? To put fear on people. They put fear on you. People will stop going to farm. Then they can start harvesting, feed themselves. In fact, build, if they can even build, like so many places that people are not going to farm, these people must have built there in the farm and take that place. So it is all about city grabbing your ancestral land, grabbing your homes, grabbing here. The people should defend themselves. If you're waiting for the police and the military, you will all die one by one, according to Danjuma. So get up and defend yourself, okay? Wherever you are, get up and defend yourself, because nobody is coming to your rescue. Don't say I did not tell you. I'm Okocha Marcel, talking reality out of fish. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Thank you.